Let's see another amazing checkmate. We have Skuratov with white pieces and Kosov with black. We have e4, knight f6, the Alekhine defense, knight c3 and d5, transposition to the Scandinavian right now, e5 attacking the knight, knight f d7, and now we have f4. It looks logical to protect the pawn. e6, queen g4. And this is nice and very aggressive move because tied down this bishop. It's difficult now for black to develop the bishop because the g7 pawn needs some protection. We have c5, knight f3 and now knight c6. Bishop e2, f5. He is trying to close the center and kick away that queen, but the queen stays in this diagonal in order to keep a knight here on g7. We have a6 and now knight g5. He is attacking now here the pawn on e6 and he will try to create some attack. Now we have knight to d4, not only protect the pawn but attacking this c2 pawn. And now white went for maybe not the best but a very good move. Knight takes e6, knight takes e6, and now he went bishop to g5, but black replied g6. And you are a piece down here, a piece for a pawn, it's your turn, and the question is, can you find something cool here? Or you will drop back your bishop and probably lose the game. It's white's turn. And during the game he found an amazing move to continue the game. It's checkmate in 3 moves. The first move is queen takes g6, h takes d6, and it's more elegant, more nice to do it with a queen sacrifice. Bishop takes d6, and after king e7, it's white's turn. Did you see it? Knight takes d5, and this is a checkmate. King cannot go anywhere. This is a nice checkmate. I hope you enjoyed that video, and see you soon. All the best.